YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with some quick fix videos for you guys on Polaris's 180 pressure side pool cleaner. We're going to take this thing apart from the outside in. Stay tuned. All right, guys, and we're back. So again, today we've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Polaris's 180. This is their basically their bottom line pressure side pool cleaner that they have that adopted the three-wheel cleaner look. So this was the start, and then from there they went to the 280, to the 360, to the 380. There's a couple of other trade models kind of thrown in, a TR35 and a TR36 kind of thrown in between, but this is one of the originals, is the 180. So if you guys want to buy these complete, we offer these complete. You guys can check out the website below. We'll actually have these for you guys. You guys can actually buy these. Of course, we have a full part breakdown for you guys on how to completely identify your parts in an exploded view for you guys. So go ahead and check out the links in the description for that. For today's quick fix video, I want to go over how to remove and reinstall the bag that comes included with the Polaris 180. So this is a brand new cleaner. We took out the box. So I already went ahead and installed the bag. So obviously when you're going to get it, it's not going to have the bag installed. These are not very fancy bags. They are just a Velcro bag on one side. There's no clip necessary on these to actually attach to your hoses. It's just a Velcro that you'll actually attach to the main hose, which I do have down here. We'll get into those quick fix videos once we start tearing into this. But it's just a Velcro style. It's just your basic mesh bag. This isn't going to work as a fine sand and soap bag. It's just meant for typical random debris. Nothing in terms of fine debris. If you guys need those, you guys are going to need some other kind of form. So make sure you guys check those out. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to take this off. So really simple. It's not a clip. It's not a twist. There's no button. It actually has Velcro on the back side here. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it. And it actually feeds underneath the feed pipe here. So you're going to go ahead and lift that up. And then the bag itself will just kind of wiggle up and pop out. So they did give you like a reinforced bottom here to be able to grab the main area. But of course, it does not have a push button clip of any kind. It doesn't have any other kind of locking tabs. It's just meant to be Velcroed around. I've ran into common misconceptions that when people are trying to use these, they don't realize that the Velcro itself needs to be fed underneath the feed tube, the feed mast, so then that way it actually stays on the cleaner, whereas if you guys go above it, the bag's going to slip off the minute that it tries to be used. So again, I'll switch over to this camera so you guys can see it. Here's the Polaris logo, and you'll see that the bag will actually kind of sit down. It's got a notch on one side to go around this this feed mast, and so you're going to go ahead and just wrap your Velcro underneath. Get it nice and tight, and then try to kind of slowly tuck it back down underneath the frame of the cleaner. That's just going to help keep it on and collected. Excuse me. So once you did that, again, now you can yank up on this. You guys will see that it's attached underneath. If you guys were to try to Velcro it up top here, obviously the bag would just pop off. So to make sure that it stays on, you guys got to kind of get under there and grab it. It can be a little finicky, but once you guys get it tucked under, it works really well. So again, just want to show you guys how to remove and reinstall the bag. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys stay subscribed. We're going to have more videos on tearing this thing apart. But until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.